westpac.com.au/business relief. Above all, please stay safe. T's and C's, eligibility and credit criteria apply.
Domain stores are open. With your help, our team are taking extra care to ensure everyone's safety in store. Shop for what you need comfortably in our big open showrooms or shop online from home. Manchester, mattresses, sofa beds, home office furniture and more. The best of Australian-made lounges, dining and bedroom furniture. If you need advice, we're here for you in every way. In-store, online or over the phone. And we can organise delivery to your home at a time that suits you. Domain stores are open.
What would you say to Pizza Hut pizzas from just $3?
Pizzas from $3? That's unreal.
You can say that again.
Pizzas from $3? That's unreal.
Pizza Hut's unreal deals, unreal taste, unreal value.
50 years Pizza Hut.
Pick-up orders only. Visit website for full T's and C's.
Hey, if you're looking for a way to keep your family safe and sane throughout this period of isolation, check out Keeping Up with Corona with Mums Monique Jews and Robin Bailey.
It's not like some knight on a great white horse is just going to kind of get rid of this thing.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do to get yourself out of that mental space?
Keeping Up with Corona, get it free on iHeartRadio or wherever you get your podcast.
More chances to win.